In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Adobe Creative Cloud with Microsoft Teams for seamless sharing, notifications, and collaboration. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We'll start by installing the official Adobe Creative Cloud app inside Teams. Open Microsoft Teams and go to the Apps option on the left. In the search bar, type Adobe Creative Cloud, then select Add. The app opens in a personal chat with a bot. In that chat, type Sign In, then authenticate with your Adobe ID and grant permissions so the app can access your Creative Cloud files. Be sure you sign in with the same Adobe account you use in the desktop Creative Cloud app. That keeps your files, libraries, and permissions in sync. If you don't see the app in the store, your organization may restrict marketplace apps, so you may need admin approval before proceeding. Once you're signed in, you can share and collaborate on assets right inside channels. First, let's pin assets to a channel tab so your team always has quick access. Open the channel you want, click the plus sign at the top to add a tab, choose the Adobe Creative Cloud app, then browse your Creative Cloud files or libraries. Pick the asset, folder, or entire library you want, select Save, and Teams will add a new tab that keeps that creative work front and center for ongoing reviews and feedback. You can also share assets directly inside conversations using the message extension. In any chat or channel, click the Creative Cloud icon beneath the message box. Select an asset from the list, or use the search box to find it quickly. When you share, Teams posts a thumbnail preview along with the file name and last modification date, giving everyone helpful context for comments and decisions without switching apps. To stay on top of activity, enable notifications. For personal updates, the Adobe Creative Cloud bot automatically sends you private alerts about files you own or collaborate on. Open the bot chat to see everything in one place. If you need to adjust the noise level, type notifications off or notifications on at any time. For broader team awareness, set up channel notifications using connectors. Go to the channel, select More options next to the channel name, then choose Connectors. Search for Adobe Creative Cloud and click Configure. Sign into your Adobe account, then paste links to the Creative Cloud or Adobe XD files you want to track. From there, the channel will automatically receive updates whenever someone comments on or updates those linked files, helping your team move faster with clear, shared visibility. That's it, your creative work, right where your team collaborates. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions.